Scratch your way to savings at Conicelli Hyundai Service Center in Conshohocken. During our Scratch and Save event, you can save up to 30% on same-day service. When you visit, just ask your service advisor for a scratch-off and to reveal additional same-day savings. No matter what your vehicle needs, from a tire rotation or new brakes, Conicelli Hyundai Service is here to help and save you money. Need new tires? Roll into savings with Conicelli Hyundai's tire sale. Buy 3 tires, get the 4th for only $1. Limited time offer, don't miss out on this tire-iffic deal. Save big and keep your Hyundai running at its best all month long. Schedule your appointment now at conicelliservice.com or by calling 888-289-5948. We have savings for all your needs. Just mention this ad when you arrive. Conicelli Hyundai Service, a nice place to do business.